making the Orla dress from French Navy pattern, so stay tuned! Hello and welcome. I'm Akram and you're watching Akram's Ideas, bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. In this September 2018 special edition of Akram's Ideas, I'm sharing with you a sew-along for the Orla dress from French Navy Patterns. Now this is a free PDF download, and I'll leave the link to the pattern in the description below. Throughout this sew-along, I'll be going step by step from putting the pattern together, to cutting out your fabric, to completing the entire dress. To see more episodes like this, be sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. To make it easy, I've divided each task into different parts. So there'll be a video for each of the parts. And I'm going to combine it all into a single playlist for easy watching. So before we even get into the sew-along, there's a few things you're going to need for this project. Obviously, you're going to need a sewing machine, thread, and your basic sewing utensils. You'll also want to have some tracing paper for tracing out your pattern pieces if you wish to do so. And of course, you'll need the Orla dress pattern as well as the required fabric. The pattern requires 1.5 yards of fabric at 60-inch wide length. Now, I got away with a 45-inch wide fabric for my dress, but I did have close to 2 yards for this. You may want to consider having a full 2 yards just in case your fabric is not as wide as the fabric requirements. You'll also need a 16-inch invisible zipper for the back. Now, a couple of other minor changes that I've done on this particular dress is that the pattern calls for you to make your own bias strip for the neckband. And I've chosen to just use store-bought bias tape. So the other item that I would recommend is a 1/2-inch wide single fold bias tape for the dress. And you can get a whole package of it and just cut it to the neck length that you'll want. And I'll go through the process in the sew-along videos. I hope you enjoy this sew-along, and I hope to see many more Orla dresses out there using the hashtag September2018. Thanks for watching.
Which is a French name. Oh, I did it again. And I don't like that either. And you're not forced to watch a video. I don't like any of that.